Alam mo ba, katatapos lang ng Digital Nomad Fest here in Baguio. I-share ko sa inyo ano bang naging ganap dito sa Digital Nomad Fest here in Baguio noong May 24 to 25. Pero bago yan, ako po pala si Angelica Maningdi Gamayo or Angel Gamayo, your angel in doing business. Isang entrepreneur, business consultant na may 10 years of experience doing business. Naimbitahan nga tayo para maging speaker para matulungan ang mga startup and innovators sa Baguio. Ibabahagi ko nga sa inyo yung mga highlights or concerns and questions ng mga startup and innovators ng mga nandito sa Baguio. Okay? So that's another thing that you have to educate the young ones. Before they graduate, we provide the available technology. I mean, it's already one Google away and AI is there. It's already been there. And for me, additional for the Baguio, you will love here. One is, yes, the weather, because I'm coming from Manila. So, number one, with the weather, with the tourism. Yes, people coming here, you don't need to advertise by land. What comes on my mind is Baguio. That's the first one. And then from Baguio, different locations as well. Connect, create, and collaborate. So, this one is a new thing, right? Alam mo na kung sino ang gusto mong pagsilbihan. Anong problema ang gusto mong solusyonan. Like us, our business is service. People coming to us and they want to register the business. 7, ang utak mo is about solving problems of your clients, of your staff, of your business partners, kung meron tayong business partners. Lagi tayong may solution in every problem. Nasa batas kasi, baka may lawyers tayo, dumating tayo sa point na yun, may mga ongoing dito na ipasa. Yeah. It's not just an ordinance dapat. It should be maging part ng mga lawmakers natin. Habang nag-a-assess ng business nila, hindi mahalagang kumita. Dahil ang pagkita nasa dulo. I want to end this way that you execute and know that you already have what you have. Hindi dahil wala kang puhunan. It's not about the capital or financial capital that you need, but go back to yourself. What do you want to do and what impact that you can give to this world? Thank you everyone. Thank you to organizers, and we are here to educate, execute, and empower everyone, whether digital nomads or entrepreneur. If you want to know more and maging updated sa mga different ganaps and makakolab, magkaroon tayo ng collaboration, join us and be a member and be active in our community. All about business and concerns. Help us grow, magtulong-tulong tayo para ma-expand pa natin ang kanya-kanya nating mga negosyo. Maraming salamat po. Everything that we have, let's give it back to the Lord. Let's give back all the glory and honor to our God who give us the blessings and provisions that we need. Kaya galingan po natin sa pagnenegosyo. Para sa ating pamilya, para sa ating pamayanan, and para sa mga susunod na henerasyon. Labanan natin ang kahirapan at mga maling pag-iisip at yung mga maling habits na hindi naman makakatulong sa pag-grow natin bilang individual and in our business and pagsisilbi o paglilingkod. Tandaan na you're not alone and you are mahalaga, and know that there is good, better, and best ways to execute things. Paalam!